Okay, so let's look through the solutions of the question that I gave you on Friday. So we were given a quadratic with a number in front of the x squared, and we were asked to write it in completed square format. Now you'll notice that this is slightly different to what we'd been using. And you can certainly use the letters and format that they've used, or you can just keep going. If you're used to using h and k, it's fine to keep going with h and k. They mean the same thing. What's the difference? Here the formula has a minus, so when you find b, you'll have to change its sign. So that's why I like to use this one, because once I find h, I just sub it in. I don't have to change its sign. Whereas when you write the formula with a minus, you have to change the sign. But you get the same answer regardless, so long as you're careful with your working out. So I'm going to use h and k because that's what we've gotten used to from the notes. And a, of course, is the number in front of x squared. So I'm going to write down that a times x plus h all squared plus k is equal to 2x squared minus 12x plus 7. And I multiply out my brackets, x squared plus 2hx plus h squared plus k equal to 2x squared minus 12x plus 7. Multiply through the 2, 4hx plus 2h squared plus k equals 2x squared minus 12x plus 7. Well, you don't have to write that down every time. These are the same, so we know we haven't made any mistakes. And next we look at the x terms. So the x terms give us that 4h is equal to minus 12, and therefore h is equal to minus 3, dividing across by 4. And my constant terms, all of this, 2h squared plus k equal to 7. So my constant gives me that 2h squared plus k is equal to 7, but of course I know that h is minus 3, so h squared is a plus 9. You can do that all in one go or in more steps if you prefer. So k is 7 minus 18, k is equal to minus 11. And so I'm writing it in the form 2x squared minus 12x plus 7, and I'm filling back into this formula up here. 2 bracket x plus h, x minus 3 plus k minus 11. So that's it, and I'll get full marks for that. Now you'll notice that we have a minus on both of them, which is another reason why I think this is confusing. You can go, oh yeah, well they're just kind of matching their minuses, but they matched it here and then they didn't match it here. So I think that can confuse people. But if you used this formula, what you would have gotten was b equals 3 and c equals minus 11. So you'd have had a minus on one and not on the other, whereas we had a minus on both of them, then we're filling into our formula like that. So hopefully that was something everyone was able to do, but if there's a step there that you're still confused on, please let me know.